Hello, you guys. Sorry about a delay on talking, but we are back with my dogs. Nothing has grown here. My patch. um, my tiny bit of dogs. I'm so sad about it. Oh my gosh, this is so sad. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. I'm crying right now. This is so sad. I need to breathe. I'm so sad right now. This is horrible. This is just horrible. Why? I seriously now have way less dogs than I had before. So this is very sad, but you know what? We gotta live through it. Now, there were way more than 3, but your souls. Your souls is dirt. Okay, so they're way better actually now. No, they never revived themselves, but I am preparing for war against the villagers because I have no clue if the villagers are literally gone down in numbers. That would be really bad though. Of course, you again. You're always there. But now you're wondering, why isn't something there? Are you guys smarter? Are you guys smarter than other? I took this one's tour. Are you guys smarter? Because it looks like you're doing the same amount of work. You aren't sad. Nobody died practically. Well, good for you. That's awesome. I didn't think villagers were smart and wouldn't open their doors. Well, okay. That's awesome. Cool. Well, this is awesome. Seriously, I'm so happy right now. I need to put my drops in my drop box. I need to put stuff away because I never cleared my inventory from last episode because I was so sad. So I never cleared it, which is bad. And I need to sell all my clay to that villager because I have so much clay. And I'm going to get like tons of money from it. And then I can get that enchanted thing. And please, guys, tell me how to make an enchantment table. I have no clue how. That would be just awesome if you guys could tell me though. So, please do so. Please do so. I'm gonna check out my horses. Horses, are you guys okay? It grew! It grew! I'm gonna turn this into a heart. I'm so happy right now. One about my horses. Not at all about my dogs. I'm trying to turn this into a heart. It's seriously raining. I can't even see the sun. Seriously, today I feel this inside. I'm gonna see if I can go to bed because, like, I think might just be a thunderstorm. Okay, I can. The deaths. Okay. Now, this is like the thing for what I have when everything I need to, do stuff in the world is in this chest. Inventory is never clean. guys now know. And then I have to put away all of these things that are for my stuff. I need to go mining and get more gravel. And yeah. Get this, I need to grab this, I need to grab this, and I need to grab this. So, guys, change of voice, right? Guys, there, well, actually, now I forgot what I was going to say. That again. So, you guys, now I keep on saying you guys, but then I'm like, okay, I will think of it shortly. Okay, so now I'm ready for my drops. Okay, this is my drops. Just so then I can put my bones. I can put my this. I can put my rotten flesh. Sad time. So yeah, I've got all that. And I'm almost at level 45. So awesome. Once I have like a million of these guys just everywhere, that's when we attack. With so many. So much possibility. Oh my gosh. I need this. Then I need to go to the village. I even brought my bed. So then I can do whatever I want. And I can probably dye it black. Black bed. Yes. Love black bed. I love my black beds. We venture on through the world. Okay. So maybe next episode, maybe not next episode, maybe the other episode. So in 2 episodes, we're going to be back here. Wait, no. In 5 episodes or more or less, we will be doing something very, 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 very important. Hello, dude. I am trying to sell you my stuff. Do not say that you do not want your stuff. No! Sad. Did you level up? Of course. Stone, emerald. Stone, emerald, gravel. What could happen to gravel? What could happen to this? What could happen to this? What could happen to this? Ooh. He gave me a deal. Awesome, 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 awesome. Now I have 19. Thank you very much for your kindness. I'm so happy right now. Seriously, this is awesome. Beetroot. I will have a beetroot farm, dude. I will have a beetroot farm. Wait, you wanted carrots too? Oh my gosh. I am here for. Wait, no. You do not want carrots. Then it must be this other dude wanting carrots. I will seriously. I have it. I have carrot. You want 22 carrots. Oh my gosh. So easy. So easy. I only have 5 clay balls. So I guess I could make another one of these guys. So then now I have more. And I need like a stack of flint just to craft, and a stack of feathers So, a lot of hunting for chicken. Well, I'd also get a lot of chicken out of it, I guess. Plus, I need to go on like a spree killing them, so. How about we do that today while you guys are watching? Yes, let's do that. Because then we can just get it over with. And then, like, it would be gone and it would be over with. It's so painful. Even for me. I think in my drops thing, yeah, there's feathers. Well, now I have one more stick. I can just, I do not the stick. Okay, this plain old stick can go right there. Plain old beaten up stick can go right there. In this specific spot. I think I am going to craft another chest. Yes, another chest. Maybe a couple more chests. No! No. Ugh. I'm just gonna take it all, you know? Do what you gotta do. Okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, now I'm just gonna go over and over and over and over and over and over and over. There always a goes. And now I can eat another chest for only one thing and one thing only. Now I have to have it right there, and I will even be able to jump out with it. Yay! And then I'll have one right here, and then I can just jump out with it. Awesome, right? Awesome, right? And then like get rid of this one and the cot and the stuff that's in it. No, I'm kidding. Then I can put it right there, and then I'm going to place it. Alright, there. And then I'm gonna place in it all my money and the stuff I don't need right now when I'm going hunting for chicken. So put that there, and then in my weapons chest, I'm gonna take this, and that drops will be concluded. No! You're getting dealt with. Seriously. I had to. Seriously? Oh my gosh. Now I have to pick up all of their... I love this stuff, but like, too much. Too much of one good thing can just be bad. This is awful, actually. Like, you know what? I loved these chickens so much. We were attached. We were attached. You think this is a safe spot? You can never hide. Here we go. Too much one good thing is just too much. Jeez. I think I killed 35. Okay! Killing spree's done! Jeez, why was that just so painful? Seriously, why? Why did it have to be painful? Cloud, if you leave, I will be so mad at you. Just, okay, you're here. Good. Okay, so I ate my stuff. Wow, I have so much stuff. Okay, now I'm just gonna put this away. And then I've got some news. I think it's supposed to be the end of this episode. This is just a short episode. Sorry about that, you guys, but bye.